The Viconic Health System is a military-grade energy absorber capable of withstanding hundreds of fall-related impact events. Falls happen, and the Viconic system is always ready to reduce the force experienced during a fall. By absorbing some of the impact energy, the Viconic system greatly reduces the risk of fall-related injuries, including hip fracture and traumatic brain injury. Actual human testing is impractical. However, we can demonstrate the energy-absorbing capabilities of Viconic using several industry-standard testing devices and test methods that we perform on a regular basis. For more detailed information on these tests, please submit a request for more information at www.viconichealth.com. We're here today in the Viconic Quality Control Lab where the product is tested and certified prior to shipment. Today we'll perform system-level testing on floors with and without Viconic. In order to tell which flooring system has Viconic, look for the logo in the upper left corner of the screen. The E-missile HIC testing indicates that flooring with Viconic provides protection well below the acceptable HIC threshold, while flooring without Viconic is 3 times higher than the acceptable HIC threshold. The A-missile Gmax device, which calculates body impact severity, produces outputs within the allowable Gmax threshold when impacting a Viconic system, while flooring without Viconic is well over 2 times the acceptable threshold. When measuring force reduction, our testing concludes that Viconic provides a much higher percentage of force reduction compared to that of just carpet or vinyl alone, meaning the Viconic system is much more comfortable for residents and caregivers. The automotive industry, playgrounds, and sports fields utilize head impact tests to determine the risk of critical head injury. The test head form falls onto the surface and outputs peak acceleration and HIC. Let's perform a 24-inch drop test on vinyl with and without the Viconic system. In the case of peak acceleration and HIC, a higher relative value indicates a greater risk of critical head injury when comparing one system to another. Injury scales would indicate a 20-fold reduction in the risk of critical head injury. Vinyl without the Viconic system have peak acceleration and HIC values that are several times greater than those with the Viconic system beneath them. Lastly, the rotational penetrometer device calculates surface firmness and stability. And from our tests, we can see that the outputs are nearly identical for carpet and vinyl with or without the addition of Viconic, meaning the addition of the Viconic system still produces a firm and stable flooring surface. Still not convinced of the energy absorbing capabilities of Viconic? Just have a look at the difference between a 15-pound bowling ball being dropped on vinyl without Viconic and vinyl with Viconic. Let's see that again side by side.